and in front of me is OPPO A5m, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first, open your phone gallery. Now choose the contact that you want to customize. Now mark edit in the right upper corner and select add picture. And here you can either pick one from Google Photos, you can create monogram, you can grab one from illustrations, or you can take a photo right now by tapping on camera. Also by tapping on gallery, you will be able to open your gallery, your photos. Then just pick the one that you want to cover this contact with. Let me pick this Dua photo. You can rotate it if you want to. Then mark choose. Click on save, and that's it. That will be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.